Hello viewers, you are absolutely right. Recycling bottle is one of the most healthiest and most sustainable choices for our planet. Reduces waste. Fewer bottles end up in landfills and oceans. Saves energy. Recycling glass or plastic. Protects wildlife. Prevent animals from ingesting plastic waste. Conserves resources. Cuts down on raw material extractions like sand, oil, and minerals. Cleaner environment keeps our neighborhood and nature free from pollution. Let's go a little deeper on why bottle recycling is one of the most healthiest things for our planet. Let's pollution. Recycling bottles reduces greenhouse gas emissions compared to making new ones. Ocean protects. Plastic bottles are a major source of marine pollution. Recycling keeps them out of rivers and seas. Each recycled bottle helps save energy that would otherwise be used in production. Cost saving. Recycling saves money for industries and communities by reducing raw material costs. Job creations. Recycling program create employment in collection, sorting, and repurposing. Circular economy. Recycled bottles can be turned into new bottles, clothing, fibers, furniture, or even building material. Cleaner communities, less litter means healthier, more beautiful surrounding. Public awareness. Recycling encourages people to live more mindfully and responsibly. Safe future. A healthier planet today ensure clean air, water and soil for future generation. Fun fact, recycling just one glass bottle saves enough energy to power a 100-watt light for 4 hours. Making new glass bottles from raw materials requires heating sand, soda ash, and limestone to over 1500 centigrade, a huge energy cost. Recycling glass bottles saves up to 30% of that energy, with plastic recycling reducing depends on oil and gas, which are non-renewable. Resource production. Every ton of recycled glass saves over a ton of raw natural resources. Recycling plastic bottles reduces oil drilling and extraction, protecting fragile ecosystems. Conserving natural resources helps maintain forests, rivers, and wildlife habitats. Landfills are filling up faster than ever, and bottles take hundreds of years to break down. A single plastic bottle can take 450 years to decompose. Recycling keeps bottles out of landfills and reduces toxic leachate. Less manufacturing, fewer emissions, cleaner air. Recycling cuts down on toxic byproducts released during new plastic production. Cleaner air and water, healthier people, and safer environment. Recycled bottle can be upcycled into furniture, home decor, art, fashion, and even building materials. Communities can turn waste into opportunities for small business. Bottle recycling isn't just waste management. It's an eco lifestyle choice that can connect energy, resources, community, health, and even creative business opportunity. Do you want to weave of all these points? So we trying to upload a very good video, very nice video. So how you feel about that? What you think about that? Recycling is more powerful thing and best thing to do for our planet. What will you have to give that? So recycle bottles, recraft things, and stay